How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this Ram TRX that is here for a full detail. The customer took the truck off-roading and this truck was absolutely filthy. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and let's start detailing. In detailing, the first things always you should wash are the wheels and the wheel wells, because they are the dirtiest parts of the vehicle, and this truck especially went off-roading and the wheels were absolutely filthy. I had to clean them really well, so I am here using super clean degreaser for the wheel wells, the tires. This will break down all the grime that is on the tires and all the dirt that is built up. And then for the wheels, I'm using P&S brake buster, and I'm using the Rack company wheel mitt. I have switched to using wheel mitts because this works very efficiently. I'm able to clean the wheels better than the brush. For the lug nuts, I always use the brush, but for the rims, I use the wheel mitt and it works great. Ram TRX has a lot of plastic trims on the outside, and the running boards, especially in this truck, were really filthy. To clean all the plastics and the running board, I use Chemi's Green Star with a brush, and this product works really well. Make sure to always use it in sections. I dilute Chemi Green Star to 10:1, and this product works amazing. It will break down all the dirt that is sticking onto the plastics or the running boards, and it cleans them really well. But make sure whenever you are using Chemi's Green Star, always use it in sections. If you are working outside in the heat, just like I am, immediately rinse it out, because if this product dries, it will leave some staining behind. After rinsing down the paint and removing all the loose dirt, now I foam the truck. This way I can use my detail brush to go around all the crevices, remove any hiding dirt. And the product that I'm using here is P&S Pearl, and this is a car shampoo which you can use in the foam cannon and you can use in the bucket as well. This product is very slick on the paint and it's really great shampoo, but to use it in the foam cannon, you have to put a lot of product to produce the foam. Now, as a business point of view, it does not work well because a lot of product to be used just on one vehicle, it's not efficient business wise. So I switched to Maguire's car shampoo and it works really well. So all the products that I'm using, I will list them in the description down below. Make sure to check it out. P&S did not sponsor this video. I paid for it myself so I can review this product. I was not happy from a business point of view, but using the product for personal use, it's amazing. In the summers, I always wash the trucks or any kind of vehicles in sections, because this way I can knock out each section at a time and nothing dries on the paint. As you saw, I did the front end first. Now I do the sides, and then so on. This way, whenever I foam down the truck, I don't have to keep refoaming back and forth because the sun will dry everything, the paint gets hot, and while I am doing my contact wash, I do the decontamination process as well using a clay mitt. So this way I knock out 2 steps in one and stay out of the heat. Not all the aspects of the detail get recorded because I don't get time to record every single thing that I'm doing in a detail, so I try to make some shorts and reels. For this truck, I did make some shorts and reels on how to clean all the plastic trims. So guys, make sure to check out my Instagram and follow me there, or you can check out my shorts as I release them during the week. You can see how I do certain sections of the vehicle and you can get some tips and tricks out of it. So guys, make sure to follow all my other social medias. They are linked in the description as well, and some of the details don't even get recorded because the customers want their cars or trucks back in time. So make sure to follow me on my other social medias where I show before and afters. After drying the truck, I used P&S Defender, that is a spray-on sealant onto the paint. I did not really enjoy the product because sprayed onto a cloth, applied to the paint and then buff it off, so this makes the process a little bit longer. In the summers, I really enjoy using spray-on sealants where you can spray onto the paint and then you can rinse it off. I use the brands CarPro, and currently I am using Aerospace 303, and by far this product works really great. I will list that in the description as well. The customer did request for a full interior deep clean as well. This truck was converted into full carbon fiber interior. The truck looked amazing. So make sure to check out my Instagram where I post the before and after. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for staying with me for so long, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Follow me on all my social medias where you will see before and afters of this truck. So guys, thanks again, and just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.